Hi, this is uniquely-DOUBLEBEE. Don speaking. I'm going to be showing you a new product from Amazon. It is LED car cup holder lights with 7 colors. This product comes in a nice case, 2 per case. And as you can see in this image, it's hard plastic. It's got a good protective cover on it with a label that tells you the warnings. And once you pull that, you can get the disc to light up with a push of the button on the back. And as you can tell by this, it's got several colors that are vibrant and produce great light even in a well-lit room. There's 2, as I said. You can get them to sync together by just a few clicks of the button, or you can have them each do a separate color. As demonstrated here, 1 click gets the lights to turn on, and if you hold the button for more than 3 seconds, it will turn them off. They also go to sleep, and if you tap on them, they will light back up. Now, there are 7 colors to select from. Just click the button once each time for 1 second. The lights will again go to sleep after 15 seconds, but will turn back on at the mere vibration of their surrounding or if you tapped on them. Here I consistently showing you how you can change the colors of each. They do different fades, different sequence of colors, and they are completely rechargeable via USB. The USB cable has a C end and a USB end. It takes 90 minutes to fully charge these discs, and these discs are sized for vehicles or for any other type of coaster location, say on your recliner, like that shown here. This is my recliner, and I have these discs inside their holes, and they have gone to sleep, and I merely just tap them to turn them back on. They are an amazing product, and I highly recommend them.